Hey y'all, I've never made a live Instagram video, so I'm sure you guys are probably wondering what I'm doing. I'm sure you're also wondering why I have makeup on, because I decided to do a YouTube video of me putting this makeup on. And it might look a little crazy, but who cares? I ain't going nowhere. Anyway, but I wanted to style my braids that I did yesterday, and I figured I would do that on you this isn't YouTube, on Instagram. So I'm gonna style them and let y'all see. And it shouldn't take too long because I kind of have a style in my head that I want to do, and so we'll see how that goes. But I need these. Let me see. I need these three out. Y'all, this gonna be so simple. I'm trying to show y'all. These gonna be so simple. This is just a simple little style. This is also why I love doing my hair in like twist and braids, because you just can style them so easily with no problem. So let's see if I got what I need here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so look. Got a little bun, and I'm just gonna take my little hair tie here and I just put it on there so that it makes them stay. Also, when you have locks, part of doing buns, at least for me, is tucking when I don't have a lot. So we got a little bun here, and then these, I kind of want to make like a swoopy thing. What y'all think? A little swoopy thing? I don't know if I can make a swoopy thing. Like I kind of want like a little, I want a little swoopy thing. I don't know if it's called a swoopy thing. I don't know what it's called. But maybe that's what I want. Y'all like that? I like that. So then what I'm gonna do is to keep that down. I took this lock from over here and I'm gonna hold it right there. And I'm gonna take this lock from right here and I'm going to tie it. So I try not to use bobby pins if I don't have to. So y'all see that. And I just tie it around this stuff and I make a little knot, which eventually, if I wasn't, oh no, they got too high. Oh no. This is why I shouldn't do stuff live, because I'd be messing it up. Okay, redo. We're not gonna do that because that kind of makes it too tight and pulls them. I'm not gonna pull them that tight. So maybe, but if you ever don't have a hair tie, you have locks, you can always use your hair to tie it. So then I guess I'll just use some hairpins. And I learned the difference between a hairpin and a bobby pin. Hairpins are open. For anyone who doesn't know, hairpins are open. And bobby pins are closed. So that's that. Okay. Yeah. Only thing I don't like sometimes when I do stuff is like this, when I don't cross it over, is that I kind of have to pin the things in the back down, which who wants to do that? Okay. Y'all see that? There we go. Okay, so they're pinned down in the back. And that's that. So now, to jazz it up, I don't even know if anyone's watching this. If y'all are watching me do my hair live, hey. And for anyone who doesn't know why I had makeup on, it's because I did a YouTube video of me putting on makeup earlier. Anywho, so to jazz this little simple style up, I'm just gonna add some little beads. See that? Little lock jewels. Or braid jewels, whatever people call them. I'm very weird putting these things in my hair because I I be liking them to look random, but then I don't. I be liking them to look like I plan to put them there. So we have that. I'm gonna throw one on here, and I'm gonna throw one down here, and let's put one up here. And these are like little hair jewels that you get from the hair store, and they're super cheap. You get like 60 pieces for like $3. 60 pieces of these little jewels, and I have no method to putting these on. See, I don't even be putting them on right, y'all. I don't even be putting them on right. That's okay. Y'all probably thought I was going live to say something important. I ain't got nothing important to say except for stay y'all little ugly selves at home. Stay yourself at home. And you might not even be actually ugly, but when people have ugly actions like not staying at home, I be calling them ugly. So when people don't stay at home, I think they ugly. Okay. There we go. So, little random lock style. It took as long as this video, but remember I did braid my locks before. And that's that. It's kind of cute. What y'all think? Let me know. Okay, I'm getting off here now. I hope y'all have a great day, and at least I think I'm getting off here. I don't really know what I'm doing. Oops, I'm pressing buttons. But that's it. That's the hair. Took a couple minutes, but that's already because I had these braids in here. What y'all think? Cute? I think so. Okay, I'm getting out. Hey cousin. Hey Keisha. Okay. How do I end this thing?